when we are maintaining separate set of books for joint venture, first journal entry will be for bringing up amount or investment cash by co-ventures. So where do they deposit amount? They open a bank account and they deposit money in bank account. So here co-ventures deposit bank money in joint bank account. So first journal entry for investing money or for depositing money in bank account. And here in this problem, Prakash and Suresh, how much money they brought in and they deposited in bank here? Prakash deposited 50,000 rupees and Suresh deposited 25,000 rupees, total 75,000. So when amount is being deposited in the bank, what is the journal entry here? What would be the journal entry? Which account should be debited and which account should be credited here? So here, as bank, repeat it. No, here co-ventures. Who are co-ventures here? Prakash and Suresh both are co-ventures here, and they are depositing money in a bank. Bank is a personal account. Banker is the receiver of that money. Banker is the receiver of that money. So bank account should be debited here. And Prakash and Suresh, again these two are personal account and they both are giver of the money. Credit the giver. So as per Indian rule, if you go to American rule, when a bank receives the money, it comes into the firm. The firm amount increases. The asset side, asset increases. When asset increases, account should be debited. And at the same time, Prakash and Suresh, they are investors. So investors means when they bring money to the business, liability increases. So asset increases, asset account is debited. And here both are liability holders. So when liability increases, they should be credited. So joint bank account debit to co-ventures account credit here. Okay, so here we don't know the date on which date they have started. So instead of date, in the date column mention number 1 and first journal entry for depositing money by co-ventures in the joint account. That is joint bank account debit 50,000 and 75,000 total. Sorry, 50,000 plus 25,000 total 75,000 to co-ventures account. Who are co-ventures here? Prakash and Suresh. So to Prakash account and to Suresh account. So Prakash account 50,000, Suresh account 25,000. And narration. So what should be the narration here? Being cash deposited in joint bank to start joint venture. So after completion of the narration, leave one line. After one line, draw a line in a particular column. So second journal entry for this problem, for collection of the contract money. So as they both are builders here, okay, so they started joint venture to construct a building where they are getting a contract of 1 lakh rupees. Out of 1 lakh rupees, 80,000 is received in cash and 20,000 they get shares. So for receiving of that cash here, receiving of that cash, journal entry. So cash, when we receive cash, where it comes? It goes to joint bank account. And who will receive it? Banker is the receiver. Okay, so in the name of joint venture, it will be received. Joint venture, business to business, the amount will come. Okay, so joint bank account debit to joint venture account credit. So second journal entry for collection of money from of a contract. Joint bank account debit to joint venture account 80,000. Narration being contract money received. Now third journal entry. So second journal entry for collection of the money. Now we start work. So when we have to start the work, construction of building, we have to purchase the material. So third journal entry for purchase of raw material. So here in joint venture business, we don't prepare separate purchase account here. So from bank amount will be paid. So that expenses is shown as joint venture expenses. So banker is the giver of that money and venture is the, we assume that he is the receiver. So venture will receive and he will pay. So joint venture account debit to joint bank account credit. So third journal entry for purchase of raw material. Third journal entry, joint venture account debit to joint bank account. So here worth 40,000 they purchased raw material. So write 40,000. Narration being material purchased, being material purchased and close the entry. So third entry for purchase of raw material. So along with the purchase of raw material by the venture, co-venture, they also brought in certain raw material. So Prakash brought raw material of worth 5,000 rupees and Suresh brought raw material worth 4,000 rupees. So here co-ventures brought the material to show that now the entry. Who will receive? Joint venture will receive. Who is the giver? Co-ventures are the giver of that money, that raw material. So next fourth journal entry to show raw material supplied by the co-ventures. So that is here fourth journal entry, joint venture account. Joint venture account debit to. So both here both co-ventures are bringing the material. Prakash and Suresh write their names separately. So first Prakash's account, and two, Suresh's account. Total raw material of 9,000. Out of 9,000, 5,000 of Prakash and 4,000 of Suresh. Now the narration being material supplied by just write one word, co-ventures. Co-ventures. Who are co-ventures here? Prakash and Suresh. Now, after that, they complete the work. When complete work is completed, we have to make other payments like wages, salary, and any other fees, consultation fees. So here they paid wages, and also they paid architecture fees, and here architecture's fees is paid by Prakash. So first make an entry to show the payment of wages. So wages is an expenses, and who is paying it? Co-venture is paying it. Okay, so what would be the entry here? So as it is a expenses, we don't show and we don't prepare wages account separately here. Okay, so through bank, joint venture pays that wages. Okay, so here banker is the giver of that money, and venture receives it and pays it, we assume, and joint venture account debit to joint bank account credit. Okay, so next journal entry for payment of wages. Joint venture account debit to joint bank account. So 30,000 wages they paid, 30,000. Narration B, wages paid. Being wages paid. Now, next architecture's fees. Architecture's fees is paid by whom? Prakash. To show that here Prakash has paid. So we assume that Prakash has given money to the joint venture and joint venture has paid it. Okay. So next journal entry, joint venture account debit to Prakash's account, amount 2,000. Narration being architecture's fees paid by Prakash. So Prakash has paid the architecture's fees. Next, seventh journal entry. Now here, so we completed all the contract work here. First journal entry for investment brought in by the both co-ventures, and next entry collection of that contract money, and third journal entry purchase of material, fourth journal entry for material supplied by the co-ventures, fifth journal entry after completion of the work paid wages, and next architecture fees paid by the co-venture, and now we completed all the work. So when all the work is completed, it is time to close the business joint venture. So when we close the joint venture, before closing it, certain things we have to settle down. So certain here, when we make any business, if it is a trading, purchase and selling, so all the time, all the goods will not be sold. All the goods purchased will not be sold. Something will be left. So that goods may be taken away by any co-venture here. And sometime here it is a construction business. So when it is a construction business, if we assume that they have supplied exact material, how much is required there? So nothing is left. But in the contract, it's a contract of 1 lakh rupees. In that 1 lakh rupees, 80,000 they paid in cash and remaining 20,000 they paid in shares, in kind. Now that shares is taken over by Prakash. So the journal entry to show that something, it may be goods or it may be anything, here it is a shares certificate taken away by co-venture to show that. Now the journal entry here. So here next, who is the receiver of that shares? Prakash. And who will give it? Joint venture will give it. So here Prakash account debit, as Prakash is the receiver. Prakash account debit to joint venture account. Joint venture account total 16,000. So that shares taken by him for agreed value 16,000. So narration being shares taken by Prakash. Now here some asset taken by the co-venture. Now it's time to make analysis or how much profit they made or loss they incurred. So here, after calculating all the things, already as we know, we prepared ledger accounts here. We know how much profit they made. Okay, so in this problem, they made a total profit of 15,000 rupees. Out of this 15,000 rupees, as per the ratio 2:1, already we have distributed it. So to show that distribution of profit between the co-ventures, now journal entry. Okay, so as there is no space, next journal entry for distribution of profit between the co-ventures. So while preparing ledger, there we calculate how much profit they incurred, and through working notes we get how much profit they made, and after calculation of all those working notes, we know that the profit made by the joint venture is 15,000. So that 15,000 is distributed between both co-ventures in the ratio of 2:1. So when we distributed it in 2:1, we get 10,000 for Prakash and 5,000 for Suresh. So to distribute that profit, the journal entry, 8th journal entry. Okay, so here profit given by, distributed by, here joint venture account debit total 15,000 to co-ventures. First Prakash's account, next to Suresh's account. So profit is distributed as 10,000 and 5,000. 10,000 and 5,000. Okay, so now narration being profit distributed. Okay, so after this entry, now it's time to pay back their investment along with the profit, their share, or whatever amount they have to get here. After taking all the assets or liabilities taken away by them or material supplied by them, including all here, how much work they have to receive. So that will again we get it by preparing ledger only here. So through the ledger, we already know that here Prakash has to receive 51,000 in total and Suresh has to receive 34,000. So who will pay here? Banker will pay with that amount. Prakash and Suresh, co-venture, receiver of that money, and banker is the giver of that money. Okay, so last journal entry to close the bank account also here, to close the joint venture. Ninth journal entry, Prakash account debit. Prakash's account debit. Next, Suresh's account debit to joint bank account. So here Prakash 51,000 and Suresh 34,000. Total 85,000 paid by the bank to both of them. So now narration being capital. So redemption of capital. Now here make a grand total. So as I have deleted some 3 journal entries already here, so I can't make the total here. So you people make total and write that total here.